Wishwing pinwheel.
You're an apple.
What's that, Orange? I can't hear you.
Whoa, what's going on? Wow, what the? Orange! Oh, thank God I found you. Who are you? Orange, I'm you, from the year 2053. What? I'm from the future. Okay, wait, so you're me? Yeah. And you're from the future? Yes. Prove it. Orange, we don't have time. I have to warn you that not listening till you prove it. So, the lightning and me appearing out of nowhere, that doesn't count for anything? Could have been smoke and mirrors. Well, I have my official 2053 driver's license with me. That could be fake. Not convinced. I've got this futuristic laser gun.
Whoa, poor Steve.
Now are you convinced? Nope. Lame. Well, the only other thing I have with me is this glow stick. What? A stick that glows? You really are from the future. That's what I've been trying to say. Can I have a glow stick? No, there's no time. I'll trade you my new iPhone 4 for it. Why would I want that? I have an iPhone 512. How about my golf club? No, I'll trade you pear for it.
Hey.
No, no one's trading pear for it. Just listen to me. Fine. Orange, I was sent here to protect you. Protect me? From who? From an evil future space warlord that can move things with his mind. If he kills you, then I'll never exist.
Wait, why won't you exist?
Because I'm him. I'm an orange. And I'm you. From the future.
So why does he want to kill you?
You mean me? Because I'm the only one that can stop him. But I need your help. How's that? You're in possession of the most powerful weapon known to man. Or fruit. Is it me? No, it's not you. Oh, it's the Whistling Pinwheel.
What?
It's the only device that can stop him. You don't know it yet, but when used correctly, it can destroy anything. I'll trade you for the glow stick. Deal.
No way, the pinwheel's mine.
Darn it, Pear, there's no time. Yeah, hand it over, Pear.
Nope, can't hear ya.
Come on, get it back. What are you doing? What are you doing? You gotta give it to us. Give it over. You give it to me. Why? Here he is. He's right there. Hey. No, he's got the pinwheel. No.
Whoa.
Ow.
Who are you? Why'd you kill Future Orange?
Hey, it's me. You're an orange. And you're an orange.
I'm confused.
I was sent here from the future to protect you from an evil space warlord. That's what the last guy said. Well, duh.
Whoa!
Ow.
Whoa! I'm confused.
I was sent here from the future to protect you from an evil space warlord. That's what the last guy said. Well, duh. He was from an evil future. He was trying to trick you into thinking that I was the space warlord, when it was really him. Wow. I'm really beside myself.
Oh, God.